Hey up, I'm Nott'm last, and today we are doing a 6.8 kilometre circular walk around Thurgarton. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's go. Just seen this on a leaf and we thought it was a caterpillar. So funny. It was literally just like this. But oh, a caterpillar, but no, it's not. How cute is this, guys? What do you think? Imagine just sitting there at night with a fire and a glass of, I don't know, Prosecco or a pint of beer. So chilled. And then you're just surrounded by just fields. Amazing. So we're just filling up the car with petrol at the co-op and thought, oh my gosh, this looks nice. Vegan honeycomb blast, absolutely delicious. It's better than the country, way better. They're like little emo horses with their emo haircuts. They've got emo haircuts. So what amazing views around us, St Peter's Church in the background and just open fields. I was going to get the drone out today, but we are in a no-flight zone, so no drones.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So we're on a nice little stroll right now, just getting some nice macro lens pictures. We've just heard thunder, so now we're under this tree. I think it's going to rain, so let's just see what happens. It's just such a beautiful... Oh God. I can't. It's just such a beautiful environment. There's things going on, there's pictures to be taken. We're in a wood, random wood, and it's just so amazing. There's a caterpillar on my arm. Oh my God. This is the life, guys. Go on then. Absolutely pouring it down. I'm under this big tree. Best feeling in the world. That was such a magical moment in that forest, getting pictures of caterpillars and all things nature. The rain has stopped, so we're now back on our walk. It's really humid today. Hopefully it doesn't get too rainy. So this is the map and that's our footsteps, and as you can see, it's been raining. We've been in the forest getting pictures. So funny. Yeah, this is why I don't post my routes online, because it's always like this. Oh guys, it's about to absolutely find it down. Got to get to this tree over there for shelter. Keep going, babe. Right now we're just wandering through trees. Decided to come out of these trees because it was kind of a weird vibe. And there's a shed in this little shed, so I thought, oh, it's probably someone's property. And it is kind of kept neat, so yeah. So there's like a fence in this area. Chickens, perhaps? What is it? Is it water?
There's loads of water things up here.
I think it's just for like water and stuff, chickens and whatnot. Pallets and stuff. Okay, so what is it? That's so weird. Must be for animals, some sort of thing. It's just so stacked up nicely. It's so weird. Definitely for animals, I'm guessing. It's so rainy. That cloud is so grey. This bridge does not feel safe. We're actually walking into a thunderstorm right now. Wish us luck. Oh my god, let's go. Just surrounded by black clouds. Okay, so found a road. Let's go down it. So right now we have like thunder and lightning coming from both sides of the sky. One over there and then one like that way to the left of me. I'm gonna get caught in it, and here we are. Oh crap. Crap. This is the outro of this video because it's about to absolutely knock it down with rain, pound it down, whatever you want to call it. Comment, like, share. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to go and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!